So I've been noticing a trend lately in the YouTube world where it seems like everybody is stressing, right? Like when you think about being a YouTuber now and you do like some searching on YouTube, what do you see people talking about? First thing you see now is how people are quitting being on YouTube. Then you see people, oh, I can't get views, or I'm struggling as a YouTuber, or trying to get my first 1,000 subscribers, and you watch the videos and you hear about all these people struggling and basically stressed out. Everybody's trying to come up with a plan. Everybody trying to come up with this strategy to get views, and they're stressing over their thumbnails. Everybody's stressing over titles, right? As people that, including myself, you know what I'm saying? Like when I've been thinking about video ideas, I'm like, all right, damn, this video didn't get a lot of views. Was it because of my title? You know what I'm saying? Like, and I can't go back and change it. I mean, I can change the title, but like, would that make a difference? Or was it my thumbnail, right? You got all these people who watch all of these videos and other, the YouTube gurus tell you like, you have to have this type of thumbnail, or you have to have this type of title, or don't do this, or you should film here, you should film there, right? And it's stressing a lot of people out. And I find myself at times getting stressed out. And I'm like, YouTube is not supposed to be stressful. Like, think about that. YouTube is not supposed to be stressing people out to the point where people, getting depressed and getting anxiety about uploading a video. It shouldn't be like that. And I think a lot of people, and at times, like I said, I feel that pressure, that stress, because it's like anytime somebody puts out a video on YouTube, like you damn near want it to get thousands of views. Like, who does it? Who puts out a video? You're like, shit, I'm just trying to get 10 views. Nobody. So a lot of people are going through that where they're uploading videos and they're not getting a lot of views, right? And then sometimes they'll get a video, get to a shit ton of views, and then a person tries to recreate that and they can't. They try to do a similar video and that video gets 5 views, and it just drives people crazy. And I'm really getting back to the point of like, when YouTube wasn't stressful. When YouTube first came out, think about it. People was having fun, right? People was uploading damn near whatever they wanted. Comments was friendly. You know what I'm saying? Videos, everybody was happy and excited. But once YouTube got to the point where it became like monetizable, right? And then it got to the point where you start hearing about people making 6 and 7 figures a year. Everybody got serious and shit. Everybody's like, yo, whoa, I can't do this. I gotta be strategic, right? I gotta do this way. I gotta start buying courses, and I gotta start spending hours listening to gurus. I gotta figure this shit out, which ain't nothing wrong with that. But the problem is the stress that comes with it. Like, it's stressful. I'm watching all these videos of people, new YouTubers, old YouTubers, looking in the damn mirror, and I'm like, why am I stressing so much? Like, this is not supposed to be stressful. It's a video platform where you're supposed to be able to share your ideas, or if you want to market something, talk about it, promote it, share your experience, share your ideas. If that's the case, then what's up with the stress? You know what I'm saying? Like, so I'm trying to go back to just uploading damn near what I want, I'm always me, but having more fun with the process of YouTube. And I know it's going to be hard, because when you're trying to monetize it and you're trying to make money from the platform, it's hard because you get caught up in the numbers and the analytics, and you start questioning everything you do. But the realness of it is, you can't do that because you really don't know what it takes to be successful on YouTube until you're successful on YouTube.